Fourth question is one past or many? One past or many? Did you notice the title of the book, Our Past? Here, the past word has been used in plural form to draw the attention to the fact that the past verses, here the verses means past different from different groups of people. Just take an example. The lives of farmers and herders were different from the lives of kings and queens. In the same way, the lives of merchants was different from the lives of crafts persons. One question come up, how do you think the lives of king would have been different from those of farmers? I am repeating, the lives of king would have been different from those of farmers. How do you think? Life of king, life of farmers. Kings lived a life full of luxury, while farmers lived a life full of hardships. Kings kept the records of their battles and victories, while farmers remained busy in arrangement of food. They had no time for anything. Fifth question is, what do dates mean? What do dates mean? There are two specific dates, BC and AD. BC means before Christ, AD means Anno Domini. Here I made the timeline chart. 0. I marked 0. 0 stands for the dates of the birth of Jesus Christ, or we can say years are generally assigned to the birth of Christ. BC stands for the dates before the birth of Christ. AD stands for the dates after the birth of Jesus Christ, which also means that the era which is going on. Just take an example. Today's date is 2nd April 2020. 2000 we write like this. 2020 means 2020 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. This completes our chapter number 1. Kindly go through it properly. You may ask your doubts if any.